Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW i4 xDrive40 in Cape York green metallic with a Tacora red interior. All right, so this is the 2025 BMW i4 xDrive40 in Cape York green metallic. This is my first time seeing the i4 in this color and the i4 LCI in this color. I just hit unlock, so we got the headlights on. I'm gonna just press and hold panic for 1 second. So there's the pathway lighting, which shows the full low beam system on. Got the snake eye headlights here. So let me just do a lap all the way around. So this color originally came out on the U11X1 in 2023. I've also seen this color on the BMW XM, and here it is now on an i4. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the details. So this is Cape York green metallic. It is a very interesting color. It's somewhere between, I would say, like a Storm Bay and kind of like a Blue Ridge Mountain, if you've seen either of those BMW colors. It's somewhere in that family, but it is a very unique and interesting color. It's not common, and it does show off the body lines very well on the hood. So we've got some lines coming down, and we've got the rondelle up front with a blue accent. We have the one-piece matte chrome kidney grille here, and with the LCI we've got a little bit of a new design here for the LCI on the i4, and this one does have the advanced driver assist radar puck down here, and this one is non-M Sport. So one thing I actually like about the non-M Sport design is that it kind of has like a little front splitter built right in, even though this is not supposed to be really the sporty one. And now I'm just going to hit unlock here. We'll get the headlights back on. There it is. And we've got some BMW LED headlights here. And let's just go get the low beams back on. So there it is. Looks really cool. And I like how they have this little strip down here with some things to reflect, just to accentuate what is showing with these lights. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 18-inch Aero Wheels 854 style in gunmetal gray, and it looks like we've got some all-season tires on here, do we? Perhaps. So that is a nice gray wheel here, and because this is the i4 G26 body style, so we've got this design element coming here, and it goes all the way underneath the doors. We've got the matte black rocker panel here as well. And then we have the body colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal and the camera. And this car is sold to the big red bow on top. There's a sunroof here. We also have new style antenna. And if we get a little side profile shot here, so Gran Coupe design. We've got the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access. And the tailgate itself has a bit of a duckbill to it, a very minor one, but it's there. And if we come to the back here, let's hit unlock so we can get those tail lights on. So you need to get M Sport Pro in order to get the laser tails. So you can still get these ones without M Sport Pro. And we've got the horizontal reflectors on each side, and we've got these big diffusers with a very flat underbody for better aero. And we've got the rondelle back here with the blue trim around it. Camera is integrated. So since we're here, let's kick our foot underneath so we can get this to open up. Inside we have a cargo cover up here, a second one here, so both of these can come out. We have a bag here that has your level 1, level 2 flex charger with both the 115 volt head and the 240 head. So that's the 4-prong 240, and that's the 3-prong 115. There's a little storage area here. This bag has some carpeted mats. Little netted area on this side, and there's a space you can lift this up, but we've got everything in the toolkit that is underneath this section right here, beside the subwoofer. So that little kit has your wheel lock, key, tow hook, tire inflator kit. Up top there's a button to close, another one to close and lock in one step, but I can certainly kick my foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. So there is an xDrive40 in our market, which is the rear wheel drive. This is the xDrive, so it's a dual motor all-wheel drive setup. This is the charge port door connected to the central locking system. So the light is there so we can see. This is level 1, level 2. This is level 3 DC fast charge. Button just to unlock the cable, not the whole car. And once you plug your cable in here, if you lock the car, the cable is locked in there with the door locks. And we also have touch comfort access on all 4 door handles. There's the Tacora Red interior with some blue ambient light going on. We also have some galvanic controls, Harman Kardon sound system, door pockets down here as well. Here's the rear seating area. So we do have the release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. The headrest can be flipped down to maintain visibility. Armrest in the center with some cup holders. That opens up, and then we have a pass-through through the center here as well. And up top we have some handles with coat hangers and some lights in the center. We have some vents in the back of the center console, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. There are more vents and some lighting here. So let's shut this door. Welcome light carpet is visible. And let's open the front door next. So once we open that up, you'll see that we have Harman Kardon, galvanic controls. There's a pocket down here, BMW I aluminum door sill. And we've got full power seat with lumbar. Manual under the thigh extension is here. Headrest is also adjusted manually. And we've got the matte graphite trim here with some nice stitching. Illuminated glove box. And we have the curved display with iDrive 8.5. We have the cascading light design here with the vents. And we've got down here a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug, blue push start button, gear selector, iDrive controller. And there is the center console with the USB Type-C inside. So let's shut this and let's go to the driver's side next. Okay, so if I go ahead and open up that driver door, so inside of here we have Harman Kardon sound system, unlock, lock, memory buttons, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release, full power seat with lumbar, aluminum, BMW I door sill, welcome light carpet. There's the yellow cloth. We put this here so we don't put footprints on the mat while we're bringing the car over from detail. We have the new flat bottom, kind of hexagonal 2-spoke steering wheel. We've got all the cruise control stuff here, radio stuff here. There's also lights on the steering wheel for cruise control. We also have the head-up display. And let's take one more look at these beautiful Tacora Red seats. So now that we've taken a look at all that, up top, there's your rear view mirror, some lights, there's the sunroof, visor. The light turns on when you open the mirror. So down here, here's your hood release. It's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything here. We just have to lift this up. So we have a massive engine cover. There is a positive and negative battery terminal. Washer fluid is here. Those terminals are not really for you to try and boost the 12-volt system or anything like that. It won't do anything. It's more so that we can discharge the car so we can work on it. So this vehicle will give you a 396 horsepower, 443 foot-pounds of torque And just to give you real world information, the car itself is sitting at a 97% charge, and we have 445 kilometers range according to the vehicle. So that's pretty good. So now that we've had a look under the hood, BMWs have 2 latches. So we just have to bring the hood about halfway down and literally center. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I'm just gonna do one more lap all the way around. It's a really interesting color, and like I said, it's the first time I've seen this color on an i4. And how do you like Cape York green with Tacora red interior? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW i4 xDrive40 in Cape York green metallic with the Tacora red interior. How do you like this combination? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.